So this is the final update for the Jeep Group Build. It ends on December 31st. So if you're working on your Jeep, you still got a month left to go. Several people have already finished, and some are still working on them, and that's fine. I'll have the links below so you can check out what people have finished and what they're working on. My Jeep is done. That's this one here, Jeep TJ, which is a Revell kit. And I've shown this in the previous updates, so I'll keep this short. As I said, you got till the end of the month, and then that'll be it. And then I'll probably put something together, a video sometime in January, showing some pictures of the ones that are finished, and maybe talking a little bit about it, and see how that works out. We'll see what we have at the end of the month. So that's pretty much it. Just an update, and this will be the last one on the project, and we'll see you at the end of the month, which will be the end of 2025.